Bye.
Good day, friends. I want to show you how big is Castel Brando, very mighty area. All these things are inside here. After the lift, here's the two theater, church. These are beautiful places. Church, Galleria. I don't know what is Galleria in English. I have to
Gallery.
Gallery, yeah. Bar and pizza, another bar. A place where they sell old wine here, where they sell wine, beautiful wine. They have wine here. They produce wine here. Office, the bush, the forest here. They have forest. Beauty center. They have also sauna. They have sauna as well. Theater, hotel. They have hotel. Restaurant. They have restaurant. Another bar. And a bar. This is Enoteca, a bar with wine, antique wine. Then they have office. You are welcome. Follow me. Passiamo di dietro e fa vedere le bottiglie qua. These are the diagram, you can see. Facciamo vedere le linee che sono qua a disposizione. These are beautiful luxury wine here that they produce in this castle. Here, this is special Castel Brando wine liquor, amaro. Bene, possiamo fermare qua adesso.